called network.
Schedule ads.
Frequency.
Schedule ads.
Target
Yes.
audience.
You schedule ads, when to show, what to show, when to stop it, when to start it. Those details. What else do you do in a campaign?
How often?
Frequency.
Frequency, yes. What else?
That's it.
What time it is shown?
Yeah, that is schedule. What else?
Objectives.
That's all.
Target audience, schedule
Clicks,
ads.
conversions, impressions, CPM, CPC. Should it be optimized for
This
clicks,
also includes, where do you
conversion?
put how much money are you investing per keyword? At which level?
Campaign.
Campaign level. So your bids are here. How much are you willing to invest every day?
Which budget language?
Daily budget.
Language.
We've discussed this like how many times, guys? Okay, from campaign level, what is the next level?
Ad groups.
Very good. What is an ad group?
Folders. Or themes.
Think of them as folders. What do the folders contain?
It's
Keywords.
divided into
Keywords.
subfolders and it contains
copies.
keywords and ad copies.
Very good. What kind of keywords do you have here?
Closely
Closely
knit
knit. Closely ad
keywords.
copies. 5 to 20 keywords.
Closely knit. There should be a theme for an ad group. A
Closely
theme,
themed.
right? Give me an example of a tightly themed keyword group. 5 keywords, quickly.
Shoes for men, shoes for boys, like shoes for men.
Ladies bag. Ladies bag. Ladies bag.
No, suppose Puma men's shoes, Puma men's shoes, men's shoes in Puma and
Repeatedly, the keywords will be like.
Ideally, the keyword should be present in every keyword so that
Ladies
what
not
happens?
big.
Why should it be
40.
tightly themed?
So that
कोई भी सर्च करे कोई भी
हाँ.
एक कोई भी हो तो हमारा
suppose any type of keyword is used, then our ad can come up.
Men shoe for sale. Audience are telling. Men shoe for sale.
Right? A tightly themed ad group will
Hi, hi.
ensure that the ads that you create are in line with the keywords that you are using, which is based on what people are searching. So there is consistency. People are searching something, you're using that keyword, and the ads you create, multiple ad copies, will be in line with that group. That is why a tightly knit theme, a themed ad group is so very important. Okay? So the answer for third one is D. Any questions? Okay, so this is a bonus one. What's one benefit of creating multiple ad groups?
B.
B.
C.
See?
B.
Okay. Again, I'm going to ask you, what comes under ad groups?
Actually, now I understand that previously I was having confused. Now it's okay.
So now you understand, right? It's B. Everybody agrees? Okay. Which AdWord settings are specified at the account level? Now,
C. Unique. C.
what goes into the account?
C.
Everybody clear?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
that's where you put your unique email address, a password, and billing information. An online retail company is based in the United States but ships to customers all over the world. If this company wants to serve Spanish language ads to Spanish speaking users, which targeting option?
Language.
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 A.
How many people say say? Okay. So first answer A is
It's an
right.
academy.
Okay, it is language targeting. Where do you do the language targeting?
Account.
No, campaign.
Very good. Pretty much majority of the things for the advertising is done at the campaign level. Which method would you recommend for an advertiser who is trying to increase the quality score of a low performing keyword?
C.
6.
Seven. Number 7.
C.
C. How many people say C? Good job. Okay. It's not about repeating the same keyword as many times as possible. That's a bad idea. Deleting the keyword and add keyword to the campaign again won't make a lot of difference. modify the ad associated with that keyword to direct to a highly relevant landing page. So, talking about relevant page and all that, what are the components of quality score?
Ad relevance,
Ad rank.
expected CTR, ad relevance.
Landing page.
Very good. Okay, so there are three important factors.
Landing page.
Landing page experience. Yeah, everybody on the same page? Yeah. Any questions? Good. What is CTR?
Click-through rate.
Put my host click-through rate calculated.
Number of click by number of impressions into 100.
Good job. Good. Okay, moving on. Number 8. An advertiser who decides to edit the location.
Termexplorer.com is one nice keyword tool from audience. Termexplorer.com. Thank you. Term Explorer.
Okay, great.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have any other tools, please do share it too.
Yeah, we use keyword.io.
Keyword.io.
Yes. To expand on the keyword list, there is a good keyword. Keyword tool. Okay, moving on. An advertiser who decides to edit the location targeting of an ad can do this at what level?
C.
Campaign level.
A.
C.
Sorry. D. A.
D.
D.
Location.
So here is a confusion. It's saying to edit the location targeting of an ad.
What are 2 or 3 things that you can not change in the account level?
Location, time zone is correct.
Location, currency, and time zone. Now, how can it be B then? Obviously, it has to be C, right?
So we can time zone.
No,
we can't change,
location.
right?
Okay,
Location
so
and what about location?
location targeting is in the sense of audience. I think they are speaking.
Location and register.
At your
No,
for your
question will not come at all if it is an account level question. Because
Sorry?
you can, if it is an account level question, it can't come in because you can't change it.
Because
Yes.
in an account they have used the term currency and time zone.
Yes.
Location is not used. First
No,
time.
location is used in the account level. We can't change
Location.
We
it.
use
Yes.
time zone.
Location.
Yes,
comes
but
in
we are changing the customers or editing the location
Location
targeting
targeting.
one ad, right?
Ad
That's at the
is
campaign
campaign
level.
level.
Why would you even look at the account level? Okay, question number 9. If your campaign is opted in to show ads on the Google Display Network. Yeah, understand this question. If your campaign is opted in to show ads on the Google Display Network and your display network ads have a lower CTR than your existing search ads, how will this impact the quality score of your search campaign?
A. B.
A.
A, how many people say A? Okay. Hari? B. Your ad performance on the display network does not affect your rank for search ads, so a lower CTR on the display network does not affect the quality scores of your ads for search. What are the 2 key networks that we looked at?
Search network, display network.
At any point, did we discuss your ads on display network or search network can have either a positive or negative effect on your quality score?
Such quality score with relevancy and stuff.
Yeah, what we spoke about is ad relevance and landing page from a
Uh-huh.
Google
Google
search
search.
perspective. But how will what you do on your Google display network impact the quality score
No.
on your GSM?
No.
It won't. So B is the right answer. Your ad performance on the display network does not affect your rank. Does not affect your rank on search
Your
ads.
ad performance on the display network does not
Sir,
affect the
I think it
search
says
ad. So lower CTR
Daily budget will be adjusted to account for a drop. Not connected at all. Your quality score will be adjusted to reflect the average CTR of both your search and display network campaign performance. I don't understand honestly that point, that option at all. Easily 2 is the most appropriate. They are not connected. display networks ads will not have an impact on the ranking for your search network.
Sir, then I did not understand the question.
Good. That's what you need to do. That's your area of improvement, right?
No. Please explain the question.
Okay. If your campaign is opted in to show ads on the Google Display Network, what does that mean?
It is on a display network.
It's
Yes.
on the display network. Huh?
And the display network ads have a low CTR.
Okay. Less number of clicks.
Yeah, less number of clicks and more.
And to
number of-
confuse you, they are saying it is. They have compared it to existing search ads.
Huh.
Ah.
Right?
Okay.
Now, how will this impact your quality score of your search ads or search campaign? Both are two different things we're talking about here. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, finally, an advertiser wants to achieve the top position in paid search results. Which recommendations would improve the likelihood of top ad position?
A.
A.
How many people say it's A? Hari?
A.
IB.
D? Okay. Let's quickly look at it. What is the metric for ranking in case of
What is
AdWords?
called with demo?
What is the metric for
Oh, no.
checking the rank on
Metric is
Google AdWords?
Quality.
Ad rank, quality.
Ad rank is a metric. What are the components of ad rank?
Quality score and bid amount.
Bid amount.
This is easy.
Yeah.
Quality and your bid amount.
Hmm.
Right? I also gave you an example. If your quality score is a perfect 10 with a bid amount of 10 which is great, right? 100 which is like, the
Optimal.
ranking is based on that. Similarly, if you want to improve the ad rank, you can work on two components. What are they?
Quality score.
Obviously, you can increase your quality, increase your bid, and that will reflect in a positive ad rank. That's all. And therefore, what is the right answer?
A.
Good.
60 to 70% are right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Clear? Hari? Okay, great. So we'll move on with the class then.
11.
Yeah? But we'll keep practicing
Sir,
this.
11th.
11.
You did the 11th as well? Oh, not bad. Good. To determine which ad language to target to a user, the AdWords system refers to
C.
that users, okay?
D.
Okay, when we have Chrome browser setting, operating system language, home countries language, and finally we have Google interface language setting. Okay, now during the practicals I'll show you, but just in case you didn't understand this yet, that's okay because I haven't covered it yet. But the answer is the last one, D. Okay, it's always Google's interface language setting. Based on that is now Google figures out which language the user is using to access sites or whatever, right? So the answer is D.
60%.
Yeah? So now do you get a taste of how Google AdWords exam is?
How many questions will be there normally?
There'll be 100, we are talking about fundamentals, there'll be 100 questions, 120 minutes. Okay?
What is the pass mark?
80 is your minimum requirement.
And we have time limit also.
2
हाँ
hours.
वही तो
1.5 hours.
120 minutes. No?
2 hours.
2 hours, 2 hours.
2 hours, 100 questions, 18 marks.
so what हमारे 50 questions होते
Then you can't take it for 15 videos.
Okay?
Yeah.
But what do you think about the experience right now?
It's good, sir.
It's good, right?
If you think so much, you will not get it.
It's like your brain
No,
is-
I will discover.
हाँ
Sharif says, I want to participate too. You can.
No, this exam, how is it?
About the
Is it
question
equal
that's-
to 6 months? How is it for the exam?
You can take any time you want, but I think there is a restriction. Initially it was 3 times a week and all, right now I think it's only once a week.
How many maximum number of
any number of times until we pass.
But we can-
Karan, you should share
80 is the
it.
minimum requirement.
Karan should share the periscope. You should share it. No, Karan. He joined. Don't only ask questions now, you have to share it. Share now.
Okay? So, what did we do in the last class?
Keyword match types.
Okay, let's go through that quickly. Srinivas, what are the different match types we have? Keyword match types.
You don't know how to share.
Broad match.
Invite.
Face match.
Broad
Broad
match.
match.
Exact
match.
Exact match.
Exact match.
Phase match. I'm sorry.
And broad match modifier.
Modifier. Negative keywords.
Good. So let's quickly look at an example of a broad match.
Broad match. Buy mobile online. Buy sneaker online.
By women sneakers.
कुछ भी buy
Okay,
and
now-
online is there.
Yes. Let's do something that we haven't spoke as an example. Give a new example.
Buy shoes online.
Okay. Buy shoes online.
Take a B2B and give me an example of a B2B.
B2B.
By
Or take
server-
Web
by-
Marketing Academy.
By server online.
Web marketing academy.
By server online.
Digital marketing courses. Is one source. क्या रहा? रुको ना.
Digital marketing.
Okay, go ahead. It's okay.
WMA भी तो होना चाहिए उसके अंदर कीवर्ड के अंदर
नहीं.
क्यों
Marketing.
अरे, it's my
In
example.
Bangalore.
Then marketing courses.
courses
Or courses.
Courses.
Anybody search? Like
Courses.
suppose lead management courses.
do we need
This might come up.
location? Do we need location?
No,
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 we'll stick to this keyword. Tell me what happens with the broad match.
With
When
broad
you
match
type
it
in
happens.
digital products,
Suppose I
it will
type lean management courses, it will show up because one word is common.
Courses.
Besides, buy digital products also it will show because digital is not.
Yeah, courses. Digital media, digital or any digital camera.
Digital products.
Srinivas, do you agree or disagree with this?
Okay.
Agree? Why?
See, because each thing has at least one word from the broad search. So
Okay.
it appears.
Good. So everybody understands this. What is my wishes? Good. Okay. Phrase match.
So that columns.
Not at all.
Okay.
Digital
Keyword
marketing
is
courses
written
in
within
Bangalore.
quotes.
Okay.
Digital marketing course. Learn digital marketing course in WMA.
These three words to be
Prefix and suffix. If it's there, it will be taken.
Learn digital marketing courses.
But the point here is
Maybe maybe in
Digital
US.
whatever written before the commas on the these three words will come to you.
Maybe in US. Maybe
it is already there. Let's say digital.
Suppose digital marketing courses in India, if somebody searches in US also, this will come up.
Yeah. Digital
Okay.
marketing.
For phrase match, what is the condition though?
Quotes.
Inverted commas.
These three
So
words.
Only three
these
words
three
to be
keywords
stuck
should
together.
match.
To stuck
Words
together.
Inverted
Can come anywhere in the line.
quotes.
They are
Inverted
together,
commas.
sir. They are together.
Here the point is it has to be the exact same order. Remember that it should be in the same order. It can't be anywhere.
Correct.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah, but
But
it
exact
can be
same
anything
order,
before and
either-
after.
Yeah.
Before and after is fine.
Even
But
if
this
it's
has to
a-
be in the same order.
But even at the beginning, also no issue.
Yeah.
Yeah, same order. Only
Place
suffix
match.
is or not.
Yes.
Only suffix
Some
and
words
prefix will
can
match.
some words can come before the keyword,
And after.
after the keyword, but the order has to be maintained. Yeah? Good, what's the next one?
Exact. Digital marketing course.
No text
How do you
before and
represent
after,
that?
no quotes.
Purnima, how do you represent this? How do you know if it's
No text before and after quotes. No text.
exact match keyword?
मैं बताऊं?
For
Brackets.
phrase match, we put it
Brackets.
under quotes.
Brackets.
Square brackets.
Square brackets. Good. Okay.
It's a rectangle.
Square brackets. diagram.
What does this mean, guys?
Only if somebody
Only
digital marketing course
Exact.
exactly.
No text before
Same
and after.
exact. No
No
prefix,
prefix,
no
no
suffix, no in
suffix.
between, nothing.
So you're expecting
Exact.
your users, your potential customers, to
To search.
type exactly the way you've typed or you've used here. Only then will the
Appear.
ads be triggered, right? So the next one is a big one.
Broad match
Broad
modifier.
match.
Srinivas, what is a broad match modifier?
It presents by a plus symbol.
Okay, represented by a plus symbol.
Plus digital, plus marketing, plus
Like say digital plus marketing plus course.
Okay.
We can search.
How does a broad match modifier
Yeah,
work?
first and fourth. There is some similarity, right?
So if plus one is there,
It's a modified of that, right?
So if
Modified
any of
version.
these words should come only, then the app will trigger.
All these words.
All
should be
these-
there.
First digital.
all
No,
these-
no, it doesn't.
Word
Has to
is
be
plus,
on the-
it
the
must
one
be
is
there.
No, no,
the
no,
one
no,
which
no,
having a
Word
plus,
is plus must be
the
there.
one which having a plus will
Plus.
disappear.
It
Must
will appear.
will appear.
Must be there.
And because in this case all three
All
words have
three
plus, so all
Plus,
should
all
be there.
three
Yeah.
should
But
be
in this case, broad and BMM
there. Only
are
then
same,
it will
right?
be triggered.
In this case,
No,
first
broad.
and fourth is same, no?
No, in this case it's not same
Yeah.
because
Of
broad
course, in
is
digital
if
marketing.
digital comes, no. If
Okay.
one keyword is also there, the rest will be taken.
Will the ad be shown for this or not?
No.
Courses.
Course.
Courses. Yeah.
It will show.
It will show.
No, no, both are-
It will show.
It will show.
Yeah, it will show, yeah,
Shall
plus, yeah, plus. But it will show in that broad search also.
So remember guys, the order has to be maintained in case of phrase or exact. Exact, of course, as the name suggests, it should be the same. With a phrase match, you can have certain words before and after, but the phrase,
Has to
the
be-
order of the phrase has to
Not
remain
change.
same. But in a broad match modifier, wherever you put a plus sign, as long as that is a part of the search query
It will appear.
or
It will
the
appear.
phrase, your ad will be triggered.
But in this scenario, it is same, no? First and fourth.
No.
No.
Only if it is like.
How?
Because their digital marketing goes in the broad section.
No, if
In this, there it takes digital marketing courses wherever it comes. Here also we have plus sign for three.
In the
Three
first
words.
case, in the first case, we are talking about lead
Lead
management
management
courses,
courses.
something that's not even related. But just because there was a match of one word,
It's coming.
it's showing up. That's broad match for you. It's too wide. That's why it's called broad. It's too wide. Yeah.
And for this, if all three words should come, right?
yeah, only then.
Most
Yes,
digital marketing,
yes.
all three words.
However,
No, no, no,
you may
anyone
choose.
is enough.
You may choose to remove the plus sign
Yeah.
from course.
So if it
If that is the
No,
case,
it will be-
even if the word course is not there, as long as digital and marketing are there,
It will still show.
yeah, clear? Good. Negative is an interesting one, and Farigya has been very curious about negative, so let her take it.
First of all, negative keyword is used to reduce. It helps in reducing the cost. Secondly, in this case, if we write certain words,
Say for example,
For
lead
example-
management courses.
Yeah, lean and management it can take.
Lead management.
How many people agree with her point about helps reduce cost? Negative keywords?
No.
No.
And actually, it makes such more ease.
Yeah, if we give us negative on that apps not show, obviously we can reduce the cost. Right?
Cost, time can be reduced.
Not cost.
Cost is reduced.
Cost is the main factor.
Cost will be reduced significantly, right? Majority of the digital marketers I heard, are missing out on negative keywords. They're not using that to the best possible way. So helps reduce cost because you're removing the unnecessary or the people who are not really targeted in buying your product initially, right at this point when you choose your keywords. So this is an extremely important match type. Give me an example, please.
Lead management. Lead management course.
So what does WA do? Does it offer offline or online training?
Online.
Offline. Offline, bro.
Offline, right? It's like
Online is only on various schools.
So do you think there are people who are trying to search for digital marketing courses online?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is that a valuable lead to WA?
No.
No.
Can
Perhaps
be.
not. Can be, perhaps not.
No.
Right? So what would be the word you'll use in negative?
Online.
Yes. Now this kind of confuses.
But one more
Are there
thing.
people searching for online marketing courses?
Yeah, in that case, what we do?
Online
Online
marketing,
marketing.
digital marketing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What if they search for online marketing courses in Bangalore?
So we'll add plus and online in that BMM section.
If that happens, why would you put it on negative? They'll say digital marketing courses online and it'll show. You know what? Do this as your homework. Because when I was a trainee, that was my homework. Do it. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. So you have to have digital marketing course, but it shouldn't be online. And think of WMA. How will you use it in negative? And it, whatever match type you want to use of the 4, please do. We'll review this tomorrow for sure.
Digital marketing course.
Yes, that is a keyword.
That is online.
But if people are searching for digital marketing course online, that ad should be triggered.
Should not be triggered.
Should not be triggered.
So how do we do it in the match types?
Yes. Use all the 5 match types wherever it's applicable. Go ahead, but come up with a solution for that.
Online we have to remove.
When somebody search for online,
Online should not come, right?
But
Digital marketing course online shouldn't come. This is an offline training.
But someone is
but,
looking for online
marketing
marketing
courses
also.
online also they are not given by WMA.
Okay.
Are they?
Exactly, that's what we don't want. We don't want people
So
searching
it was
for.
correct, no?
In the exact section, then there's exact and phrase section, we can put online digital marketing course in the square bracket and the phrase also online digital marketing course.
What if somebody agrees on, I don't know, I missed it. It is about semantics, okay? I missed it. Something I was trying to read then.
You can add online to phrase and exact. Then put the online and exact.
So let's do the homework because it's not right.
Sir, हो तो गया.
Very good.
Sir, आप जबरदस्ती confuse कर
No,
रहे हो, हो तो
seriously.
गया.
See, the point is simple. It's a digital marketing course, but it's not available online. If people say
So we
online
don't
marketing
provide
course-
it online. That's what he meant to say.
Got it.
They'll have to, it's not like NIT or something. They'll have to come here.
But if you put that in
No
the
virtual
negative
class.
word,
No virtual class, yes.
people who are searching for online marketing class in Bangalore. Online
So,
marketing.
but why will if they're searching also, why do you want your ad to be triggered? Because you're not giving online marketing classes.
No, they will
But
search.
nobody knows it's
Nobody
no
knows
online
that.
marketing, no?
Digital marketing is online marketing,
Online
right?
marketing is another name.
So the another synonym.
Yeah, it's just a
Okay.
See, people have faced that they see that there is a virtual market, only virtuality, but there is no
Probably
actual
I'll
life.
use it only in
Everybody
the
sees that
broad
there's
match
no-
modifier.
Let's come with a solution for now.
Yeah,
we'll
yes,
move,
yes.
right? Because it takes a little bit of thinking. I'm sure it'll come up.
different
Think about it.
Different methods are there.
Broad
Online
match
marketing
modifier
is
is
correct.
Even if you go to
But
IIT
it's
or
related then.
digital Vidya, they are
We
online.
need to catch those who type
Negative
online also.
first.
So, what are the four campaign types that we discussed? If you want to really cover all the bases,
Generic, specific,
generic,
brand,
brand,
competitor.
one is generic.
Generic, specific, brands,
Competitors.
competitor.
Very good.
And CMOs.
What?
Is
Saying
this-
you made it easy.
Thank you. Is this where we stopped
Yeah.
last week? Okay, good. So now that you understand the different campaign types, you understand the match types, you are ready to create a campaign. Yeah? So one of us, please connect to the projector. We'll. You understand the campaign structure completely? Guys, any question with the structure?
Campaign is one single line explanation for those who want to recollect. I'm not getting it. Generic is general search, and specific is less keyword and specifically keyword search.
Specifically searching.
Brand based when you use.
Purnima, maybe you can? Please go ahead.
Yeah.
What is the generic campaign?
Generic, buy TV online. TV, buy TV. That's generic.
Right?
And
You're trying to
specific-
target people from all aspects, not just specific. So buy TV online, for example, is one of a generic campaign keyword example, right? Specific,
42-inch LED.
Yeah.
HD 3D.
Can be the product name or
Brand.
Brand. Micromax
HD
TV.
3D smart TV.
Micromax. Brand.
HD3 smart TV नहीं आता है.
Micromax, but
आता
Micromax,
है.
where does
Smart
where does
TV, Sony
Micromax
has 3D.
promote and sell its products?
Samsung.
It does it on Flipkart or Amazon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you try to, right? These are the brand names you will be looking at. Competitors.
Samsung.
Bidding on
What
others.
Serving for Sony,
Correct.
Sony,
Bidding on others.
Sony LCD.
Other brands.
Actually,
Brand.
my apologies. Yes, actually, this is the other way around. My apologies. So, if you're an established brand, for example, Micromax is your brand, then what you said is absolutely right. Yeah, Micromax is bidding on its own brand name and products, right? But competitors, for example, could be Samsung, Sony,
They will be bidding on Micromax.
right?
Videocon.
So, when people are searching for Samsung TV online, for example, you want to show up Micromax as well, right? So, why is that important?
Will come up with the common displays also. Probably branding.
Right. Even though your quality score will be higher low in this case.
Low.
Yeah.
Creating
With competitor
awareness.
keywords, yes, right. Even though your quality scores might be a little less, your bid amounts will be a little higher. At least your hand is up when people are searching for Sony and Samsung. Your brand is shown, is displayed, so users know that there is something that exists with Micromax as well.
So, in specific Micromax 42-inch LED TV online also can be written because I'm specifically looking for
Yeah, sure. This can be Micromax 42-inch LED TV.
So one more thing, we just mentioned SEM Rush, something.
SEM Rush is just like the
SEM
keyword tool that was suggested. It's a tool that allows you to really look at what are some of the websites doing, how much are they investing in advertisements, how is their SEO doing. A little bit of digging can be done with SEM Rush.
We'll be doing it practically.
It's just a suggestion. It's a tool that you could look for. Yeah. Okay. So are we ready for the practical?
Yes.
Okay. Has anybody already set up an account with Google AdWords yet?
Huh,
No.
na? We have no AdWords.
Already set up. Anand?
No.
Keyword tool.
No, just open the account.
Get.
Get the.
Get.
Yeah. You were clear, Pranav. That's okay. We'll do it once. Okay. Yes.
मैं लाती छोड़. I guess we need it, right?
Yes, we need a laptop.
Thank you guys.
Thank
You guys can.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Shubh Ratri.
What?
Shubh Ratri.
Shubh Ratri.
Shabba khair.
Friday model was the class.
So thank you guys for watching. This is Suresh from Web Marketing Academy. Check out our website. It is Web Marketing Academy, and please do come back every day. We are going to do some Periscope, and we're going to plan on specific topics. Today we'll take PPC, and this afternoon we did LinkedIn. So please do come back, check it out. Follow me on Twitter, and let us know if you want anything to be covered in specific. So until next time, this is Suresh from Web Marketing Academy. Check out webmarketingacademy.in. We give digital marketing training, and of course we do scopes and other things. Bye bye.